Welcome to MECK Pre-K, a high-quality pre-K program available to 4-year-old children in Mecklenburg County at no cost to families. Hi, I'm Mary Margaret Cantor, Chief Early Education Officer at Smart Start. Let's take a closer look at the hands-on learning that takes place every day in MECK Pre-K classrooms. Our classrooms are designed to inspire curiosity, creativity, and a love of learning. Through our heavily researched curriculum, highly trained teachers guide children through activities that build foundational skills for lifelong success. Watch as teachers engage children in letter sound awareness, helping them break down words, recognize syllables, and build early reading skills. Outdoor play, where teamwork and movement support problem solving and social development. Music and movement, enhancing coordination and self-expression. Hands-on math and science exploration, using shapes, patterns, and materials to develop critical thinking. Dramatic and pretend play, nurturing storytelling and communication. Mindfulness activities, teaching emotional regulation and focus. At MECK Pre-K, every moment is an opportunity for discovery. Apply today at meckprek.org.